In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove Microsoft account in Windows 11 or 10. If you find this useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Now to get started, you need to go to your Windows settings. So you'll go to your taskbar, then click on search, then search for settings. Then you need to open settings. Then as you can see, this is the Microsoft account that I want to remove from my PC or my Windows. So you'll go to accounts. Then ensure that you are on your info. Click on your info. Then it will land you here. So in order to remove the Microsoft account from your Windows, you will sign in with the local account instead. So click on the link. Then it will land you here. So you will click on next. Then enter your Microsoft account PIN. So I'm going to enter that. Then now here you need to set your local account. So you can set your user, then your password. I'm going to set my password. Then confirm password. Then hint. Then click on next. So ensure that you can remember this password, or you can write it down somewhere for you to remember it whenever you forget it. Then once you've done that, you just click on next. Then click on sign out. So when you click on sign out, it will log you out, and then you will sign in using the local account and the password which you have set. That's how to remove Microsoft account in Windows 10 or 11. I hope this was useful, and if it was, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one.